Hey everybody, hope you're all doing really well. In this video, I'm going to take a quick look at the baked beans protocol and then take a look at two forks of baked beans, gold grinder and roast beef. Now, unless you've been living under a rock or you've only just joined YouTube or you've been blatantly ignoring it like I've been doing for the past 5 or 6 weeks, then you've probably already heard of baked beans. Now, it's something that I've kind of ignored because it all seemed a little bit too gimmicky for me, and the whole baked beans theme didn't sit well with me. But you know, when I keep seeing YouTube videos every single day, different people, crypto YouTubers talking about how much money they're making and how great the project is and how sustainable it is and all these other things, and then people in various Discord chats talking about baked beans and Twitter and Telegram and DMs coming into me and people all asking me if I put into baked beans, I can't ignore it any longer. So today I'm going to take a look at baked beans. I'm going to put a little bit of money into baked beans and also do the same with gold grinder and roast beef. So basically, baked beans is what's known as a BNB miner, or as they say here, a BNB reward pool with the tastiest daily return and lowest dev fee. Now, they say that the daily return is 8%, but I think that's only achievable if you reinvest your money. By far the best strategy seems to be reinvesting or compounding for 6 days and then withdrawing or eating your beans on the 7th day. There are various other strategies on YouTube, but that one seems to be the most popular. Even in some of the white papers on the other protocols talk about this 6-1 strategy. So the APR is 2,920% and the dev fee is 3%, which means every time you put money in or take money out, 3% goes to the development team. Looking at the contract balance, we can see it is still very high, $15 million. It seems to be just growing daily, this balance. So people are still very bullish on baked beans. We can see all these deposits here. So people are definitely still investing into baked beans. Yeah, like I say, it's been around for a couple of months now, so how long it can last, I don't know, but it does seem to be very popular still at the moment. So on the back of baked beans has sprung up these other two protocols, roasted beef and gold grinder. Now, these both have different daily returns. The gold grinder is 9% daily returns, 3,285% APR. The dev fee is only 2%. So this one seems to have much better fees and rewards. Roast beef is 10% daily return, 3,650% APR, and a dev fee of 3%. Now, all of these projects also offer referral links. So I'm going to put a bit into these, probably each of these today, and I will leave these referral links down below. So if you want to put something in, by all means use my referral link, and I will take some of those referrals if I receive any and put them into my giveaways on Discord. So how much should I put in, and in which protocols should I put them in? So before I do, let me just have a quick look at the white paper for the roast beef here. And this will be very similar, I'm sure, to the baked beans white paper that I can't seem to locate anywhere. If you know where I can find that white paper, then please let me know. I might just be being a bit stupid, but I can't seem to find it. In any case, this roast beef miner, innovative DeFi on Binance Smart Chain, up to 10% daily return and 13% referral bonus, fully verified and audited contract. So just read through this in your own time. Obviously, I'm not going to read through all of this, but just a few things to point out. What is the price of beef? Well, beef does not have a set price. The higher total value locks more beef per BNB. Lower total value lock less beef. This creates level playing field so no user can be late. There's no calculator available to work this out. So the more money that goes into it, then the higher the rewards. What will my daily percentage be? Daily percentage is up to 10%. This depends on eating habits, the time of day you re-roast or deposit, and the TVL fluctuation. Average daily return is 7 to 10%. So again, if you stick to that 6-1 strategy, then you're probably going to get the highest daily percentage. And like I say, through this white paper, it gives you probably the best strategy for investing, reinvesting, and withdrawing. What else? Can I get my initial back? Roast beef miner is a lot rewards pool, so no, you get your initial back over time through the My Rewards section of the app. So basically, each time you get rewards, you compound, and then when you withdraw on the 7th day, then that's when you will get your return on investment back. Fees, there's a 3% dev fee taken upon all deposits and withdrawal from Roast Beef Miner, and then obviously the gas fees for each transaction. Is this sustainable? Yes, as long as there is a TVL in the contract, then there will always be rewards. The hungry people who eat too much get punished and get lower and lower rewards. It will last a long time the higher the TVL is. And again, it says here the best strategy: re-roast for 6 days and eat for 1 day, which is basically the 6-1 strategy, and you receive your initial back in 3 to 5 weeks. Now, there's loads and loads of videos on baked beans on YouTube, all talking about this 6-1 strategy, so I'm not going to go through all that with you. I'm just going to show you how to put some money into it, and then obviously follow up in a couple of weeks on how well I've done with these 3 different protocols. As always, only put into these projects what you can afford to lose, because, who knows how long they're going to last. These are effectively Ponzi schemes. Obviously people putting back into them and new investors coming along putting into them is what's paying the rewards of the earlier investors. But, as it says in that white paper, it's a level playing field, so no user can be late. So as long as people keep reinvesting, and it seems that people are doing that with the baked beans protocol, as long as people keep reinvesting, there's always going to be rewards for people coming into the project, no matter at what point you come in. I know people who've got into this project, the baked beans project, only a week ago, and they're still making money, when other people have been in it for 7 or 8 weeks now. So yeah, I don't think it does matter how late you get into this project, as long as people keep reinvesting. Anyhow, what am I going to invest into each of these? So let's take a look at baked beans first. How much have I got in my wallet? I've got 1.249 baked beans. Not got any baked beans yet. I've got 1.249 BNB, split over 3 projects. I'll probably put 0.4 into baked beans, and then 0.3 into each of the roast beef and the gold grinder. So that's kind of 1 BNB split over the 3 different projects. So I'll put 0.4 here and click baked beans. So that's my 0.4 BNB staked into the baked beans, which gives me 1,418,706 beans. What's that? Is that 40,187,106 beans? That seems like a lot of beans to have straight away. So I'll leave that one in here. Then I'll go over to roast beef, and I will put into this one 0.3 roast beef. Click confirm. So that's 0.3 BNB into roast beef, which gives me 45 beef. And then finally, I'll come over to gold grinder, and I'll put 0.3 BNB into gold grinder. Grind gold. And that's 0.3 BNB put into gold grinder, which gives me 0.4628 gold. So like I say, all of these have referral links. I'll copy these and put all of these in the description of the video. So if you do plan on putting into any of these, then by all means use my referral links, and I will put a percentage of any of those referrals into my giveaways on Discord. So if you're not on my Discord server, then come and join us over there, because we always have some good conversations and giveaways, and a lot of these rewards I get and other profits I take from YouTube and things like that, I kind of put some of it back into the rewards pool. My giveaways pool on Discord. So that's it, guys. That's kind of baked beans, gold grinder, and roast beef all in one short little video. Now, I will leave links down below. So like I say, if you use my referral links and I do get any referrals, then I'll put some of that into my giveaways on Discord. So make sure you join us over on Discord and get involved with the chat over there, and also get involved with some of the giveaways. Now, like everything in DeFi, you know, you've just got to be as safe as you can. Only put what you can afford to lose into these projects. I'd put this one in the kind of medium to high risk bracket. You know, it's not too high of a risk. It's not like some of these return on investment dApps that I've looked at in the past. But, you know, it is a sunken cost, and depending on what happens with the contract balance, you know, you could potentially lose all of your investment. So don't put too much into these if you're going to put in at all. Obviously, the contract balance is an important factor, the TVL, so keep an eye on that for all of these projects. You know, come back and check it daily, make sure that it's on an upward slope rather than a downward slope, make sure that, you know, people are still putting in and not everyone's withdrawing. I do think that the roast beef and gold grinder can do big things. You know, if we look at baked beans and what that's done over the past, you know, couple of months, it's continued to grow, and I only see these others doing the same thing. But only time will tell. But I'll come back to this in a couple of weeks and let you know how my investments are getting on. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please leave me a thumbs up. Also, leave any comments or questions down below, and don't forget to come and join us on Discord. Also, follow me on Twitter for more whitelists and giveaways, and I'll see you again soon in another video. And also, if the quality of the video at the beginning was a bit crap, then apologies for that. I didn't quite have things set up right, but you know, I'm still learning all this stuff. Anyway, thanks again. I'll see you again soon.